Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe, like this video if you do not know who I am. My name is Amber Turner and I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, with outfit being the metaphor for your reality and experience as I adjust. And so today, it's interesting. And today was an interesting day. It was very chaotic. It was filled with a lot of chaos, but there was a lot of beautiful things in it, and a lot of synchronicities is what I experienced. And so I want to talk about, let me backtrack. Okay, so I had a few coaching calls this week that made me want to do this video. Really, it's this whole concept of, what if everything that's in your heart, all of your heart's desires, also want you? If you really truly believe that, if you really truly believe all of the things that you see in your mind, your vision, what if your vision really wants you as well? Now, I was thinking, there's this Gabby, Bernstein, I believe is her name. She has this saying that the universe has your back. And when I first heard that, I thought it was cool. I was like, oh yes, the universe has your back. And it was like a cool little thing, and, a nice like saying that but I didn't really at that time know exactly what she meant by that. Until one day it really clicked. I mean, I really didn't put those words with it. So I was doing a coaching call this week, and I said to my client, I said, what if everything that you wish to experience, that vision you have in your mind, in your head, and all of your heart's desires, want you too? Now, if we really think about that, we think about, okay, we want our dream partner, right? We want a man or a woman that's, we have an ideal partner. We want love. We have a career that perhaps we want. And we're thinking that sometimes these things are unattainable. But if you really think about God, universe, and how loving, God, universe is, and the fact that the universe does have your back, that those things that you desire, because this is my personal philosophy, is that, your desires that you have for yourself, the fact that you have a vision for your life, that's your light that was put there by God. I believe that. And so, being that God is a loving God and loves you, he wants you, or she wants you to have it too. The universe has your back and wants you to have these things. And if you truly, truly believe it, and you really know that it is for me, and those things want me too. Now, it's something that you can just kind of throw around and say, but what if you truly believed that those things want you too? That man that you desire, that you wish, that you wish for yourself, that you desire, also wants you too. That woman also wants you too. That business also wants you too. That car also wants you too. That home also wants you too. I can go on and on and on. But I mean, if you truly think about this, if you really, really think about it, that's so amazing. And it makes the thought of attaining it so much easier if you think about it. If you think about, okay, let's just personify this whole concept. So it's easier to personify things. That's what we do because we're people. We personify things. And so we personify this concept that all of your heart's desires, everything that you wish to experience, also want you to experience them. They also want you. It's kind of like saying, you know, that man that you want also, and you know this, also wants you too. Now, if you really think about it, like if you knew that, okay, I really want him in my life and he wants me too, and you know this, you know without a doubt that this man wants you too, how would you act? How would you live your life? So, if we personify this whole concept that all of your heart's desires, that vision that you have for yourself also wants you too. Now, we personify it in the example that I just gave. Doesn't it make it feel like, okay, it's already mine? It's already mine. Like if you knew that a man that you wanted also wanted you too, without a doubt, he made it very clear he wants you, how would you live your life? Would you still be like, oh, I don't know. No. You would have so much faith in that relationship. You would have so much faith in the fact that he wants you because he's made it very clear that he wants you. So if we think about these things that we want for ourselves and what we want to manifest in our lives, if we think about the fact, I think it's a fact, is that all of our heart's desires, that little light of mine, that light that's within me, I got that from Tyler Perry, that little light, the whole concept of that little light that's within me, that fire that's within me, those desires, that passion that's within me, those things also want me to. Gosh, like that, and that's God's love. That's like the power, that's the universe having your back. In divine order my steps that these things will manifest into my life and I will experience it. That's that unwavering faith. It's amazing when you really, really think about it and you really understand that love, because that's love. Because universe, God, life, divine loves you that much that it's there for you to experience. That's why you have those desires. Because your desires are different from my desires. And my desires are different from their desires. It was put into our spirit, our soul, our being, however you want to look at it, for us to experience. That's why you have it. But you have to understand and know that those desires, that vision you have for yourself also wants you to. If you have a desire for a car, it doesn't even have to be as big as a vision, a purpose, but those desires that you have, that desire you have for love, it wants you to. Just align with that. First of all, think about how loving that is, but align with that vision, because if you know, that is unwavering faith that wants you too, because it was put there for a reason, for you to experience. Yes, Lord. But I just wanted to share that. I don't want to make this video too long because the girl is hungry. I'm very hungry. I've had a very long and challenging day, but it was an amazing day. But I did want to share that because that was something that I saw as a pattern amongst some of the clients I had this week. And I think it's important for us to understand that and know that those things that we wish to experience and want for our lives, they also want us as well. And when you understand that and you can fully, really get that concept, that example that I just gave with, the man wanting you as well. If we personify, think about how you would act, how you would live. It wouldn't be I'm trying to make him like me. I'm trying to make him like me. You wouldn't be acting that way because he's made it clear that he also wants you as well. Yeah? How amazing. How amazing is that? Anyways, you guys, I just wanted to share that. That is all for this video. I also have a free download on my website if you're interested in that, How to Glow Up as an Empowered Feminine. And it's totally free. It's under free stuff on my website, and it's about 23 minutes. And so I share in that audio my story, some of my story, and how feminine energy, your femininity, and how you can take a feminine approach to life and really maximize your manifestations and create the life of your dreams, and how powerful that is. Because, you know, a lot of times people think femininity and feminine power is not that powerful. It's very powerful when you can get in touch here, when you can live from this place. You don't have to always live from this place, but it's an amazing way to live. And I think that, you know, taking a more feminine approach to life, and just knowing its power and how powerful it is, and how I started feeling more like myself. And, you know, especially when it comes to relationships, that polarity that it creates between a masculine energy and someone in their feminine energy, it's amazing. It creates magic. It really creates magic. Anyways, you guys, that is all. I just kind of went on a ramble in that last part, but I hope you're having an amazing Saturday. What's today? Yeah, Saturday. Can't even keep up with my days. And I'm also doing one-on-one coaching and mentorship if you're interested in that as well. I'll leave the link below for that as well. Anyways, that is all for this video, and I will check you guys in the next video. Peace. Peace.